Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to solve remove element problem. So here the question is given an integer array nums and integer val. Remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. So we'll understand the problem easily with the example. So let's say our nums array is having 3, 2, 2, 3 and the val is 3. So after deleting the occurrences of val in nums array, so our output nums array is having 2, 2 and the remaining elements which we are not taking care of, and the new size is 2. So we need to return the new length. Let's understand the approaches to solve this problem. So after seeing this problem, at first most people think, let's create a new array, copy only the elements we want and return the size. It's done. But the problem says in place. That means no extra array. So interviewers care about space. So now here is the trick. We are not deleting, we are overwriting. So we are going to solve this problem using two-pointer technique. So in the two-pointer technique, we are going to use 2 pointers, right? So one pointer scans every element, the other pointer keeps track of only valid elements. If the current number is not equal to the val, place it at the valid position and move the our valid pointer forward, and in the final our valid pointer itself is the new length. So here I am going to take I and j, both are starting from 0. So now here our I is going to scan the all elements in the array. So if nums of I, let's say here I am just writing one pseudo code. So here simply we write if our nums of I is not equal to val, simply we need to store in the our second pointer index, which means nums of j equals to simply nums of I. We are just storing and we are incrementing the j value. This is the simple code, and at the end we need to return j. Let's understand this clearly. So at the first, both our I and j positions are here. We will check if nums of I is not equal to val or not. At the 0th position of I, value is 3, 3 not equal to 3, condition false, so we won't enter into the this if block. So simply we increment the I. Now I is at here and j is still here only. So now new I value is 1 and j is still 0. So again we will check our nums of I is not equal to val or not. This time our nums of I value is 2. So 2 not equal to 3, condition true. So simply we will assign our nums of j which is at 0th index. So here we will assign the 2 and will increment the j. So now j value is 1. So now both are at here only, and will increment the I value, I plus plus. Now I is at here. So the new values are I is at 2 and j equals to 1. Again we will check at the second index, value is 2. So which is 2 not equal to 3. So we will enter again and again we overwrite. So here simply we are overwriting this 2 with the index 2's value and j will increment. So now j value is 2. So now the latest I and j values are I is at 3 at the end and j is at 2 only. So now we will check again nums of I at a third index which is 3, 3 not equal to 3, condition false, and our loop also ended. So now the output which we are returning the j as 2, means we are having in the array only 2 elements. So that is the logic. It's a very easy to understand. I hope you understood the logic clearly. Let's try to code for this one. I'm taking I and j. First we need to scan the elements, and if nums of I is not equal to val, then assign nums of I into nums of j and simply increment the j, and in the end we know we need to return j which is our new length. So let's run this code. Our solution got accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Yeah, all test cases got passed. I hope you understood the problem clearly. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. And please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.